In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose in Pro Tools. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to of course select your MIDI track and you want to open the MIDI editor. Now, to do this, you want to either click on MIDI editor down here at the bottom left and then click on your track, or you could just basically double click to pull it up like that, okay? In here, what you want to do is then select your notes. So I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to click and drag over to highlight these. Oops, there we go, just like this. And then what you want to do is go to event up top and you want to click on event, and then from here, as you can see, it's going to say MIDI operations, and then from here there's the transpose button. You can also press Alt+T on your keyboard to trigger this. I'm going to click on over here, and as you can see, there we go, this is the transpose section. You can select how you want to transpose, so by octaves or semitones, and then here you have the option to transpose as well, all notes to a specific one or in key, okay? Up to you. Then you can just go ahead and hit the apply button whenever you've done this, and there we go, as you can see, you've successfully transposed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.